The thing I like about woodworking is that while you work, it gives you time to think. I thought about what I plan to make and also about my next trip, and that got me thinking about why I like travel. Yes, it gives me a chance to explore and see new things, but there is also being forced to try new things that come with unexpected experiences. Just a thought, what was the last thing you tried just to see how it would turn out? And on to making the planters for the backyard. Again, the beauty of woodworking is the starting point of nothing but a flat piece of wood that is broken down into smaller planks that slowly collect until you're ready to turn them into something different. And the planks are connected to more planks that create something even more different. And then the fun really begins as more planks are piled on to the pile you already created. Next comes the connecting of the piles. When I first started woodworking, I heard a guy say you never have enough clamps. And now I understand why, as all those planks begin to take shape. What started out as planks is now a box. A few more planks on the planks, and you add a certain beauty to it. And like any box, you want it to have a bottom, so more planks are added to cover an uncovered hole. We humans do like our shelves, so why not add a few? And there, in a matter of a few hours, we have gone from nothing to something. And then two somethings. now comes moving our somethings into place. A dolly helps because the somethings are heavy. I can laugh about it now, but I forgot to screw in the supports for one bottom, and it caved in as soon as I added dirt. But not a problem. I simply did some on-site repairs, and we were ready to go. And there, we've gone from a few simple planks to 2 tree containers for the backyard that will provide shade and a little beauty in the coming months. I even added a drinking tower next to the bird feeder that is hurricane and squirrel resistant. I hope the birds appreciate my efforts. And I thank you for coming along on my mental wanderings, and that this has been a relaxing adventure as I prepare for my next